Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on Turbo's Garage. Alrighty, well, on the way home. Man, that thing's gonna be so cool when it's done. So Mike is taking out the last bolts on this side for the heads. And we're gonna see what the inside of this looks like. Any predictions?
I'm not gonna call any numbers, but I'm guessing there's probably some blown gaskets and whatnot in there, but we'll find out.
Is the gasket on there?
It's on here.
Oh, it's on here. I'm not even sure. Huh. Interesting. All right, side number 2. I love how it's like my engine and I'm just making you do all the work.
There we go. One of the other ones.
That's a little crummy.
One of the valves from the other one was leaking.
Really?
Yeah.
Leaking pretty bad at all, or?
I mean,
Now this side seems, there it might have pushed out just a little bit. Other than that, it seems all right. You're a madman. I have been filming virtually nothing. Yes, that is the 63 in primer. And this is the new step side bed. Those are the wheels I'll show later. But new step side bed we're going to be putting on the 63's frame. So my dad is coming out and he's going to help me put this truck bed on the back of that so we can roll it in, because it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow and I don't want this to get wet because I'm going to start doing my thing to it. We got this primered. There's a spot right there I have to do yet, but this all gets covered anyways, but I did shoot something on that. Oh yeah, it's been a long day. Alright, so back on this, we just got a bunch of parts in for the whole clutch system because the slave cylinder and some other stuff were missing off of it when I bought it. So we are going to continue on this, and then tomorrow night when I get home, we're going to see if we can put the Chevy 350 that was actually out of Ricky here back in it. So we're going to open up some parts and I will show you a little bit of what we're going to do tonight. Alrighty, so we got 2 boxes of goodies. And the one here, as you can see, we got a new slave cylinder. And it's got the push rod and a clutch fork. And the throwout bearing should be here tomorrow for that. Then over here, we got motor mount number 1 and motor mount number 2. Everyone's just cringing because it's probably scratching the hood. Also came with new bolts. So there we go. We have motor mounts to throw on that truck. Let's do it. came with grade 8 bolts to hold it down, and it even came with engine bolts to hold the engine to the bracket, so. Cool, man. So I was just test fitting some stuff. Yeah, I'm still waiting on the pilot bearing, unfortunately. Throwout bearing came and everything, but pilot bearing hasn't showed up yet. But I was just gonna test fit it, and that's a problem. And I don't know how I'm gonna, because that needs to come, the whole mount needs to come forward more so this can drop down. So we might have to get creative. I don't know. Okay, so intake manifold just setting on there just for mock-up. In order to get even a finger or whatever behind this, I mean, it's just setting on there, but to where you can adjust it or anything, that is where we're at. There's the bolt holes and stuff, and there's the new motor mount. Yay. So, I don't know exactly what's gonna need to happen, but something is, because that's not gonna work. So much for new motor mounts, man. Okay, so I think we have the engine mounts completely done, welded together, painted, installed, pilot bearing is in. Man, that came out so good. Everything came out just like it should. I have the new intake gaskets there for it. I'm gonna go grab the intake, and I have all new ARP, if I can grab it, bolts for everything. You know you care about something a little bit when the whole thing is held together by ARP bolts. It's a big relief to have this thing in. I've been trying for quite a while to get this to go in.
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
Thank you for watching. In the next video, I am really, really hoping this thing will be running, driving, doing burnouts. So thank you for watching. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next one.